Since I repair string trimmers, I decided to build a tripod stand for them. First, I sketched the basic idea in 3D Builder. The angle between the legs doesn't have to be exactly 120 degrees, so I decided to use a simpler approach. One leg will be welded to a flat surface, and the other two will be welded to the corner of a square steel profile. In this clip you can see the pieces already cut. This is the concept I came up with. Since this is only a trimmer holder, the vertical profile doesn't need to be perfectly 90 degrees to the ground. It can be slightly tilted, and that won't affect the functionality. I welded everything together and it turned out pretty good. The stand can be used both on a workbench or directly on the floor. Because I like things organized, I decided to weld an extra rod onto the tripod where I can hang some tools. I'm very satisfied with the result. Now I'll be able to service trimmers much more easily because the stand holds the trimmer in place. It won't tip over, and it keeps the machine in a comfortable working position. Let me know in the comments what you think. After 1 month of using it, I'll record another video with my real experience.